Halo guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jumpa lagi bersama saya di Marula Channel. Apa kabar semuanya? Semoga tetap sehat dan tetap semangat di dalam menjalankan segala macam aktivitas. Dan terima kasih banyak bagi yang telah mengklik video ini. Semoga umurnya berkah dan rezekinya melimpah ruah sampai 7 turunan. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Guys, teknik akapela Putri makin hari makin mendunia. Dan di video kali ini ada sepasang musisi dari Inggris Raya dibuat kagum dan shock sekali ketika mendengarkan Putri membawakan sebuah teknik akapela yang awal lagunya itulah genre rock tapi dirubah dengan sebuah teknik akapela, dan mereka sangat kagum dan shock sekali mendengarkan itu. Nah, penasaran seperti apa reaksinya? Langsung saja kita saksikan. Let's go.
Hello and welcome back. My name is Andrei.
And I'm Dominika.
And we're back again with another reaction to
Putri Ariani with I still haven't found what I'm looking for cover, a YouTube cover. So I'm ready.
You're really impatient.
I'm a little bit impatient. What to talk? Let's listen.
Okay.
Let her speak in her song. I know the song, so
you know the song.
Yeah, I'm very curious.
All right.
Yeah, and let's go.
Okay, let's go.
I have the land, highest mountains. I have run through the fields only to be with you, only to be with you, but I still haven't found what I'm looking for. I believe
Mellow.
in the kingdom come, then all the colors will bleed into one, bleed into one.
Jenggot si bapak boleh juga ya.
I'm still running. You broke the bonds and
Yay.
you lose a chance. Carried the cross and my shame. Oh, my shame. You know I believe that, but I still haven't found what I'm looking for. But I still haven't found what I'm looking for.
Aduh, sampai hafal lagi nyanyinya.
Yep.
What I'm looking for.
Okay, before anything happens, the one thing I don't like is the fact that
Silahkan berikan komentar Anda berdua ya.
her singing and
Kami
the
akan
clip is more.
menyimaknya.
it's only no, it's
Yeah,
more.
yeah, she said thank you. I think now they're gonna be talking, so I'm not happy about that.
Oh, you want more?
I wanted to.
I want
yeah,
more
I thought
too.
I thought it's gonna be a bit longer, but at the same time, in those 3 minutes, she achieved almost impossible because she revealed all her kind of like how you call it, the fun,
Palette.
Oh, the palette, you can say palette, yeah. I was thinking when you open the fan, when you choose to fan yourself. But you can say the palette. All the colors of her voice, you know, where it can go, how it can go. Again, I'm no expert musically, but even I can see that this girl is doing things with her throat that are impossible.
Plus, I feel it's traditional clothes and like that.
Yes, but it's a bit
so
sparkled up.
Yeah.
It's exactly like that song.
Itu bukan pakaian tradisional, tapi itu sebuah gaun ya, dirancang sendiri ya.
And she done it. Everything was absolutely beautiful.
Look at Simon.
Yeah, I wanted to speak before I hear what they're saying because I didn't want them to influence what we say. So I'm ready.
All right, I'm ready too.
Okay, sorry.
Well, I do believe the song is longer, to be honest.
No, that's what I mean. It's only 3 minutes.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I didn't know.
Putri Ariani! Simon!
Look at her.
I'm actually kind of speechless right now. Look, you know what? What I was thinking was, first of all, what a beautiful voice you've got. What a beautiful version. And honestly, Putri, this is why I still do this job, for moments like this, genuinely. Because that was so beautiful, and I do want to thank you too, because, you know, they don't clear their songs, because I understand this, a lot of bands don't clear their songs, but they cleared this song for Putri to sing because they saw her audition and they knew how much this would mean to her, and I cannot thank you enough because I think you've just hopefully changed this girl's life.
Thank you so much.
I'm so sorry, I have to stop. So that means that the band, whenever you're using their song, they have to kind of give you the
permission.
Okay, to be, because right now, you know, they're making money or someone's making money. So they have to give you permission to use it. And you too. I love you too. I always loved you too so much. I think they're absolutely nice guys. But wow, that's really, really cool. And that's so cool that Simon mentioned that, right? Wow.
Sepertinya para reaktor ini sangat bersyukur sekali ya kalau YouTube itu mengizinkan Putri membawakan lagunya ya. Ya, mantap. Kami juga berterima kasih soal itu.
Spectacular. Every note, the feeling, what you were like, I mean, making us feel, it was amazing. One of my favorite songs of all time. I think this was the perfect act.
Heidi!
You sounded so beautiful, and I thought to myself, this is probably what it sounds like when an angel is singing. Literally. So beautiful. And I do hope that Bono gets to hear this, and I wish you all the luck. I mean, you have a stunning voice. Thank you so much.
Great comment, Howie. Perfection!
Thank you so much.
Putri, what do you want to say to Simon and the rest of America?
I would like to say thank you so much, Simon, and all the people who supported me. You already changed my life beautifully, and please vote for me. Thank you so much.
Good luck tonight, Putri.
Oh my God.
She's so sweet.
She is really, really innocent and sweet, and that also is so beautiful to see. Wow.
She was shaking again.
Well, wouldn't you be? But you know what? You almost like you want to say, well, don't worry, girl, you got it, you know, because she really, really got it. And I obviously I don't follow America's Got Talent or any of these programs, but she's definitely one of a kind, right?
Oke, mantap. Terima kasih banyak ya atas reaksinya. Oh ya guys, beliau ini adalah seorang musisi dari Inggris dan beliau juga merupakan suami istri dan juga sering mereaksi talenta-talenta dari Indonesia dan termasuk Alibata, Putri Ariani, Dimas Senopati, Cakrakan dan lain-lain. Dan mereka juga mengapresiasi talenta-talenta dari Indonesia yang sangat luar biasa sekali, dan sekarang sudah masuk Putri ya. Sepertinya beliau ini sekarang agak telat sedikit atau telat banyak ini, soalnya Putri kan sudah berlangsung sudah seminggu lebih ya. Biasanya beliau sering duluan nih, tapi sekarang kenapa agak terlambat? Nah, oke guys, di sini mereka sangat mengapresiasi sekali dan sangat kagum sekali dengan talenta yang dimiliki Putri, dengan suara Putri. Tapi di sini mereka juga berterima kasih kalau YouTube telah mengizinkan Putri untuk mengcover lagunya. Maka di sini YouTube membebaskan klaim hak ciptanya ya. Wow, itu terima kasih banyak sekali kepada YouTube ya. Oke guys, terima kasih banyak bagi yang telah menonton, dan jangan lupa link originalnya ada di deskripsi, dan nantikan terus video berikutnya di Marola Channel. Terima kasih.
Thanks for watching.